Drizzy, how your birthday and day?
Tomorrow we have to take on the river.
So where you go, you know?
I go celebrate a little birthday thing, you know?
Me say you rent out a club.
Yeah, the man.
Well, today is a new day. Give thanks to life. All praises to the Lord. We see us all sanctified. That's what they can't say one time. Put them again. Yeah. I want to say shout out to everyone.
Happy birthday, no, bro.
Yeah, and the YouTube work that people, we have it hard sometimes. They work and do content. Nobody feel like it's easy, not easy.
One song.
Sure. Which part you come from?
From
part of
London, London, mate.
Which part of London?
On the left hand side, mate.
Left hand side, alright. Chop, where you from, mate? Move your foot.
So now we're about to go to our river.
Welcome to another video, and tonight we're outside in Jamaica with my beautiful wife Livy with the flat stomach, and for the first time we're gonna link up with a YouTuber, one big YouTuber, Drizzy Burke. Big up yourself, bro, happy birthday. In downstairs I get ready right now, the whole walking TV family, big up on yourself, you see me? So full suit of wipe on them, blow right so, and if you love look around the back. How you do so? Let's see what me I wear. Design. But more want to narrate Livy outfit. 10 ice. Livy with the fat stomach.
Fat stomach.
Yeah, fat.
It's
Livy,
okay, it is. I'm not.
Livy with the flat stomach. Yeah. I'm my wife, guys. Oh God, man. Pretty pie in his side.
So guys, don't mind my hairstyle. I don't have. That's all I can do with my hair because my hair fizzes up if it's out.
And it's our real hair, guys.
And guys, so like, yeah, if you're in Jamaica, Ocho Rios side, hit me up if you want to do my hair, okay? Hit me up, please. I would love that. But you have to be, you can't complain about my hair being too thick, but it's straight enough. You can't complain. I don't want no wig. Just hit me up.
You hear that, guys? Hit up my man now. Happy birthday, Drizzy. Your birthday tonight and we're outside. Sam, big up yourself. Our house is booked. We live in the same community, and Sam say, yo, you're welcome to spend a night or two or three or a month. So big up yourself, Sam. Good youth. Big up yourself, bro. Appreciate the accommodations. You see me? When you're good
So
to
nice.
when you're good to people,
So good.
when you're good to people are going to automatically return the favor most times. But some have the same size house as mine. My one booking say you want done. Family, boom bang. If you need a Airbnb, this is also a Airbnb as well. Look really nice, guys. Clean.
Yeah.
Some big
Very
up yourself,
nice.
you and wifey. Odette, big up yourself.
Yeah,
you
so
see me?
that big up yourself.
You do a great job, fam. And only love alone, bro. Me love it, bro. Me love it. Me say me love it, me love it. So anyway, guys, me I go downstairs with Drizzy there, and we are gonna put him on the vlog, cause you don't know, you see me? You don't know, so give me a few, me I go downstairs.
It's on the back, innit? One time, what's going on, bro? You alright?
What's up, bruv? The broke foot, bruv. This is Sam, guys. That's Sam, this is Sam. You not telling people them, so I appreciate your accommodation.
Yeah, man.
One song.
Sure.
That's it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we're going to left out there now, you know. Yeah, you have to go up straight and then you take the left. At the road, no, sir. At the road, they made up on that. So when I reach up, way up on the flat, you have to take a left, then I fall down on the look rocky road again and then you see smooth road. What, man?
Where the pan, bro?
Finally meet me.
We feel like say you have on this pan your foot too long. You know?
Too long.
Don't call me doctor friend them and make them take care.
If I foreign me take come up long time, you know.
For real?
Yeah, come up long time.
You good?
But me active, man.
Drizzy, how your birthday and die?
Tomorrow we active on the river.
On the river? You see where we are going now?
I go celebrate a little birthday thing, you know.
Me say you rent out a club, bro.
Yeah, the man.
Me say you rent out a club, bro. Me say, bro, rent out a club. See, I just, 10 away in there. 10 away.
Yeah.
You want money like you.
Yeah, the man.
No, where you get money?
Nobody with it, man.
How you get money?
Nobody with it, man.
Oh, God, the man full of money. Hey. That's why I come back to Jamaica and live, bro. Me jealous, bro.
Money nice, but
Oh,
we have to enjoy
God,
life,
man.
you know?
Guys, me tell you know. One Drizzy Burke, walking TV, you see me?
That is. People random have a place where I go promote film to also, you know, Airbnb. So
Yes.
we'll see. Tomorrow we're going to do a river vlog tomorrow. So.
Do a river. Which river we go tomorrow?
Spanish
Bridge.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
God,
you know.
man.
So stay tuned, people, for that, see?
Here, that one Drizzy, one Dan and Livy, you see me? We're outside, you see me? Bro,
Natty.
Vanessa. You see me? One.
Outside.
One Drizzy, man.
Yeah, man, I got the whole thing, so the whole Portland, all the whole shit. Outside. If I live up on the splash, thanks to it, I thought that shit. That's what they can't play one time. Put them again. Yeah. I want to say shout out to everyone.
Okay, guys, we're outside. See me? We're outside. And upstairs. I'm going upstairs, Sam.
JPS, fuck them up, you know.
So guess what? We're going to your house. We're going to do a house party.
Solar.
Because we have solar.
And have internet. Just call again.
Starlink. We have about 10 of them for your house. Drizzy Burke party with it. My beautiful fiance, the real boss.
Yes.
You see me? The real boss. You hear that? Real boss. And she call all the shots.
I really do.
When you see me, and look at where we bad DJ up here, so. I don't know. Come at 12:12. Bro.
That is it.
But they know where your name.
DMX Legal Boss, you know, they are live.
I run with
See me?
you.
I would you them, you know.
Alright.
Why if you love the program, you know what?
Alright.
Livy.
Livy over there, so.
Hello.
Hello.
Lady.
One Livy.
No.
You see me, but DMX there, so guys.
Believe
When I
me.
have baddest thing about you, you see me?
12 to 12. Our place. Jamaica. One North Coast.
Outside.
Leave.
Alright, my
None of
friend.
them testing a man.
No test.
None of them.
None of them.
One done.
One done. No pussy test.
No time.
No time. She's an upcoming YouTuber.
Hi guys, it's your girl Me For It. Get
Alright.
to know, make sure you subscribe to me.
One over there now, guys. A part of the family. We are that part, you see me?
Yes,
Part of the family.
sir.
Where your YouTube channel name?
Me For It. So NIEFA and Rich at the end.
One over there, guys. A family. We are that part, you see me? We are that part. She's part of us. You know my friend there, British. Sorry,
Tell them, bro. It's good, mate.
One.
Hey, mate.
One.
One.
No pussy
I'm
test.
British with them. Where you are? Give me some British, man. What's up, mate?
You guys alright?
Yes.
How y'all doing? Happy
Good.
birthday.
Thank you, love. British, man. Oxford. Which part you come from?
From
Part of
London, London, mate.
Which part of London?
On the left hand side, mate.
Left hand side, alright. Chop, where you from, mate?
Who's
That's true, bro. That's true, bro.
the left hand side?
From Okeechobee.
Too much English there.
Sweetie, where you from?
I'm from Oxford.
Oxford. Alright. Baby girl.
We spend
You there?
pound. We spend pound, not US.
You. Where you from?
I'm from Fort Lauderdale.
No, with that London. Which part of London you from? No, but with that London right now.
Right now.
So which part? You don't know London? Come on, man, just work with the code, man. South London, alright. Nitty, where you from?
Huh? 40.
You said 40. God damn, nigga. Alright, the phone is on.
Bro, birthday, you know. One over Drizzy Burke.
Lifestyle. One over one done page, you know?
You see me?
And if we make some content.
Sometimes we get busy up, you see me?
Yeah. We go there with it, man.
You see me? Happy birthday, you know, bro.
Yeah, and the YouTube work that people, we have it hard sometimes. We work and do content. Nobody feel like it's easy, not easy. But we are putting the work. Once we love it, we are going to put in the work. See? But what if I put content and promote? Me and him do a river vlog tomorrow. Me and him never do a content before. But you know,
do a wicked collab. And bro, hurry up and take off that. If no send me that to them, don't have to.
Alright, cool, no problem, man. I got it.
I will see you there, no, bro.
Yeah, man, respect, man. Every time, I know.
Yeah, man. You good?
Yeah, man.
Well, today is a new day. Give thanks alive. All praises to the Lord. We see us all sanctified. Now make them stress me. We are all alive. And the Lord is around us. Blessings around us. Make your match and you already know that already now. For we are come down. I protect myself. What make your boss work? Are you?
Move it.
The road, lyrics by the factory load. From the stairs, you know, set them home upon the load. The one before, first time I saw Mother Nature, some of us before the day. With beginning of creation.
Baby, how is Jamaica so far?
Jamaica is beautiful, it's nice, I'm having fun. I'm just feel like sad that I'm going back soon. My face cleared up since I've been here. I haven't had any pimples because I've been breaking out a lot.
We're outside. See me? Outside.
Where you park?
Ah, them down there, sir. Bro. After party, we're there. See me?
Yeah.
We're there.
One done.
Airbnb, we're there. You see me? Book him. You see me? You see the boss?
You know you got.
Top chef.
That's how you got, you know.
Oh, another tower here, so.
1 foot, man. Can't keep.
But who that a upper forward?
1 foot, man.
Oh,
You want to something?
Yeah.
oh God, dog.
Good.
Drizzy.
Man, call me out for eat crab 4 o'clock in the morning.
Birthday, dog.
Peace, cause I'm man, brother.
How was the birthday party, my
It was
bro?
alright.
Yeah?
With me little gang and us, we just enjoy ourselves, you know? Yeah, that's all I need. Those people.
When me feel like say the nurse them just want to see you regular.
I don't know, not true.
So they now take care.
Them been could have done this. Them been could have done it. Them just want to see me.
They just want to see you.
Run up bill. So that's all they want, run up bill.
Millions for your footing?
Backside. My dream them crash before. Like 5 times, I'm gonna tell my parents in my meeting I want a terrible crash.
You tell them before you
Tell them
come.
before, yeah. Many times. I always dream it. And then if they say, if you just see now I wake up. So can you see when I wake up, if I dream again. But when time actually I wide open my eye and I said,
You feel pain.
no, I don't feel pain. I when I come out of the car one day, then I come out of the car, I use the same block foot come out of the car because I didn't know the foot block. So I dip on the ground now and I look all over because my face is bloody. So I turn around and look at my foot stay so.
So which part brought Drizzy?
In the top side of the ankle.
So why them put thing right up there, so bro?
Because them say shattered. The bones them shattered.
So that we keep it back together.
Yeah.
So you feel pain right now?
No. If I try to bend it like this, I feel pain. But once it out straight like that, I feel no pain.
I'll tell you one thing, bro. If you ever pass, I'll tell you, bro, you don't know me a long time. But no, I'll tell you see your content, bro, heal a lot of people.
Right.
You understand? Including me as a YouTuber, bro. Look forward to see the fun, because we don't believe in a negative energy, bro. I'll tell you, dog, you know, so I know you from the internet, bro, but when me see accident, bro, pull over, dog.
Yeah, man.
Reach out to you, bro.
I like the fact that, you know, people can have them differences and see something happen and a life and
cause
you know.
Really know so one at a time, right now.
Yeah, man, that's cool about we know.
You know,
man.
one at a time, right now. You don't know how. But you know, so we obviously, right, man, because we feel our way, but look at now, when we learn our life, you see, YouTube world, bro, we have to be solid.
Right.
And
that me do.
And you know, when just come up, you understand, we kind of see something already. I'll tell the dog, after me say, you know what, you notice every day that we are dash for them, dog. Because we don't need for Ray. No. But when me see accident, bro, for sure you say me in tune with your thing. I pull over, dog.
Yeah, because when me see
and my heart sits so, dog. It's crazy, Drizzy. Sometimes I'm not even people them on your foot, bro. I go feel like stranger, dog.
Right. That's true.
I remember I could not do it, bro. But I said, buckler, like, me head get swell up on me heart.
Anybody, bro.
Accident, me, I said, I could have dropped out.
Me actually could have did it for you.
You could have dropped out?
Because as a container, I bust up me, bust up my container and reach on the left hand side of the vehicle with the whole of the glass mash out.
I start wear a seatbelt too.
Yeah, I don't drive back again from that. I drive still, but since we put in this iron, I don't drive. I drive the other iron the other day, I was driving the same.
I really want you wear a seatbelt.
Yeah, man, definitely, man.
You see me?
Definitely.
Because I'll tell you, bro, maybe this make you know how much people love you.
Right, yes.
I lie, me, I tell you?
I don't lie.
I remember say we are not a best friend, but me tell you, I'm a type of man, Sam. Me now wait till a man dead, me say R.I.P.
Right.
I tell you, my sister you're alive, and me say, bro, I could have me, bro. Could have me. We not special.
No.
Me tell a man that me not special, bro. Me not favorite, me not special. Anything can reach me, bro.
Man.
And you for there so right now, bro. Can you see all of this if I open your chest there, bro?
Yes, bro.
So you have to live your life, my youth. All your foot up right now, Drizzy.
Yeah, foot up right now.
You come in like so, boy go hard, you know. My man not up in your foot, man.
Yeah,
well, right now, wonder. A Jamaica Hercules this. Hercules, we call it. Jamaica Hercules.
One active one foot man never see.
But me, I'll tell you, Drizzy, if I'm brother, all if my uncle have some of them little thing that me bed in a bed me there for years, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, nah, come on.
Bro, you want to see when me catch flu, man? Dead me a dead. Be a team, no one move, no light turn on, curtain job.
Let me see them there the first time. It's like my blood run cool. Remember?
Yeah, when I see it the first time.
So when me see it the first time on his story, no, a video I watch. And I go up on your IG page and I say, I feel inbox, bro, in a dark car.
Yeah, yo, more people, I say, when I see Chris Brown reach out to me, bro.
Reach out
to me. Come post a screenshot and everything, everybody frightened. I say, yo. Till I go up on
me.
We
not look for that. We not look for that.
Alright, you know, so the last time Chris Brown come out with him, link up with him and the man them when he bring him come give me. And next man I tell me say, yo, the man never want to bring the man come on my foot. Probably them know so the man going to give me a big strength and I don't want that. Yeah, so from them time the man been want to link up because the man say you want to go up with the whole of a woman, the man them thing. The brother will do that vlog there. And them I say, I'm going to dress him and he live in Portland, but should him up and done so. Then they give him a Portland. So the man find the page because a whole of people there repost me. And the man DM me and say, yo, stay strong, bro.
Oh God, me know.
Yeah,
bro, let me tell you a thing, dog. You're there for a reason. This, I just for know, said this, brother, some things reach me in alive now, Drizzy. I'm surprised I'm still alive, you know. When I go there, so, but you said this, thank God this happened.
Yeah, it show up, what the something.
It show up a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
You're there for a reason to, bro.
Yeah.
Cause you find love to, bro, who really love you,
Yeah,
bro.
man, true.
Like me, I tell you.
True.
So if you did there, everything does good, you know. People are so rare, but it's when you're done, bro.
Bro, me I tell you, say, more while I did that, I don't want to bother nobody because I'm a foot and I'll be a cussing me and get people say, what you talking about? You're earth right now, anything you want, we are going to eat. Like, sit down and just keep your ass quiet. Because there's no like bother people. Sometimes I say,
some mistake.
yeah, me ask too much. Me I say, we can get some water, please, and then we can get some wine again. Me not like that. So they must say, yo, just quit the foolishness. Anything you want right now, because you're sick. They know what is a go-getter person, so just humble.
Yeah, man, you're humble, You're humble, bro.
Yeah,
humble.
So no guest never come round and have a bad complaint about me now. Every time they come, they feel loved.
Cause you see through your personality that.
Yeah, my personality that. Yeah, everything. Enough time guests book with me, because we just book with trips and guests we come and embed them phone and thing, and then we come and tell me say, yo, you know, say, we shot on the phone. I said, no, man, I say, man, you can't even keep that.
How me link about the Airbnb, I say, yo, that's you worry about Ray. You know what they way there?
Yes.
I saw me stay too, you know, people link me for ads, you know. And say, how much? I say, that's soft, man.
That's soft, man.
Ding, download the mobile app. You see me? If you send credit to anybody in the world, especially Jamaica, to Digicel and Flow. Right, Drizzy?
Right.
You get 50% off if you use one done 25. 50% off. Top up your people, them. No Hurricane Melissa go on over a month ago. You see me? Ding. Download the mobile app. One done 25. 50% off.
They know people.
Big up Ding. I hit around the block right now. Right, Drizzy? Walking TV and Drizzy Burke.
You know,
Artist thing in Jamaica right now. We not ask Christ. You see me?
I was just humble with it. We don't even have to say it.
And people, if you don't need Airbnb, only person you have to link at Drizzy Burke and Wandan.
Have the plug.
Ocherius, Portland. Mia Portland, we change your name. Mia Portland. You see me? So if you need Airbnb, we have how many Airbnbs we have in Ocherius? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you need Airbnb, we have the plugs.
Yeah, don't worry, we have the connection.
We have the plugs, like really the plugs.
Yeah.
You see me?
We got the links.
Alright, and all family.
Yeah,
You know, see Drizzy there, so you know it's your family.
Activity.
God bless, man.
One.
Oh God, people, look here.
Give me one more plate, then, man. Please.
Look here.
One green plate, then.
Let's look there.
You know you go. Go and done.
Guys, may I please make on the booking Airbnb?
Yeah, man.
Just book it.
You know.
And I don't just string give me crap, me I tell you to book it. But that's something like that. I go to you. Just look here. Just look on the place. Just look on it. And Drizzy over there, so just I deal with the crowd.
There we go.
Accommodation. Good people. Look there, people. No comment down below. I say, give me some.
Pepper, son. You never plan to give me money.
Yeah, put a little pepper right there.
Yeah?
Well,
I bought the sauce, no.
That's one.
But they ain't there. Cook them. I left them.
So you fling away all your food over here, so then.
My son go get them big crab. Who complain about the big crab? Like how them document the people.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. It is day 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. It is day 6 in Jamaica, and right now me and Wandan, we're about to go to the beach. I'm not sure what beach we're going to. I don't know. And after the beach, we're gonna go to the river, okay? But anyways, I slept really good. Look at the room. It's so pretty. Say good morning.
Good morning.
He didn't get enough sleep, but that's okay, okay? You'll sleep when you're dead, alright? I'm just joking, guys. Babe, you know what beach you're going to take me to? No? I don't know. Come and know some good beaches in Ochi. I'm in Jamaica, I'm enjoying myself. So now we're about to go to our river. Okay, guys, so stay tuned for that. I had fun, me and my fiance. We're gonna go back to the beach tomorrow, not this one. We're gonna find a more like a regular beach, you know, restaurant or no tourist stuff like that. So, yeah.